In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Superscript in Mailchimp. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to add Superscript styling to any part of your Mailchimp emails, giving your content a professional and polished look. Let's begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to follow along with this tutorial. Once you're in, head over to the campaign section located in the main menu. Click on all campaigns to see a list of the campaigns you've already created. From here, select the campaign you'd like to edit. If you're just getting started, feel free to create a new campaign to practice these steps. Once you've picked your campaign, you'll see an option to edit beside its name. Click this to open up the content editor. Now you'll need to navigate to the specific block where you want to add your superscript. Mailchimp's editor is quite flexible, allowing you to make precise modifications at any point in your campaign layout. Having determined the block, look for the code option within the toolbar. This is crucial because adding superscript involves a tiny bit of HTML coding, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Clicking on code lets you directly edit the HTML structure of the block. Now you're ready to insert your superscript. To format your text with superscript, use the following HTML tags. Wrap the original text with transition and the portion you wish to be superscripted with the and. For example, suppose you want the number 2 in H2O to appear as superscript. You'd write H2O. But don't forget, this is just a blueprint. Make sure to replace text with the real content you are posting and the placeholder's superscript with the actual superscripted content you want displayed. This way you ensure that your email retains its intended message, all while looking professionally formatted with the desired superscript elements. Once you've added these small snippets of code, take a moment to review your changes. Double check that all tags are correctly closed, as even a tiny error can disrupt how your text displays. If all looks good, view your email's preview to see how it appears with the new formatting. Your superscript text should now appear in your email just as intended, providing that sophisticated touch to your communication. And there you have it, you've successfully added superscript in Mailchimp. Practice these steps a couple of times and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.